So today guys, I'm just going to clean up this little office by means of encapsulation cleaning. So rather, because these are glued down carpets, if we was to clean with an extraction machine, there's a possibility of the carpet lifting, the glue, the extraction sucking away at the backing of and lift the carpet. So this way we just do a low moisture clean by way of encapsulation. Literally spraying on a chemical, leaving it to dwell, and then I'm going to use my CRB machine there. I'm just going to get up any loose debris. I'm about to spray down the encapsulation chemical. This is how we low moisture clean. Low moisture meaning it's almost dry. It's just damply applied. When we're finished, it could dry literally within half an hour. This method is not, I wouldn't say you can do this on every carpet, although you can, but some carpets need to be really deep clean. This, because it's glued down carpet, we need to use a different method to clean it. So let's put down some chemicals, guys. Now I've already mixed up the chemical, but these little stains here I'm going to actually treat right now, but we're going to clean underneath the desk so we can put back these cabinets and then we'll move on. Okay, so we're just doing underneath the desk, and we can move back these cabinets underneath the desk, and then we can do the floor space. So let's get the machine. This machine is a CRB machine, meaning counter rotating brushes. It basically brushes in the chemical into the carpet and scrub, and gives the carpet a good scrub. Right, so we're going to put back the cabinets, and then we're able to do the floor area. Okay, spray down some more chemical at this area here and work our way out of the door. Don't want to spray too much area, just working on this little area here first, and then we'll spray down again this area on the way out. this was the era where it had some little marks. We're just making sure we go over them. When encapsulating, guys, the chemical, after it dries, it crystallizes, meaning that it leaves crystals on the carpet. So straight after a couple hours or a day or so after cleaning, it would be advised to give it a good hoover, take the crystals out of the carpet. See here is where the stains were, guys, and this whole area here is cleaned. So we're just going to put back the chairs because they're on rollers, and then we're able to do the other areas. So I'm going to spray down the rest of the carpet. Can you see down there, guys? We're still going to go over that little area again. Stains have gone. They weren't deep stains. This is why you've got to use the encapsulation process to do this. Area, put the coat stand back in the bin. Quick, easy job, guys. Just this little area left, guys, and we're done. And I'll just go over it with a... I heard something buzzing, but it seems it's this, obviously. So let me just spray the rest of this area. And behind the door. gonna work our way outside of the room now, guys. Just spray this last little area. Just gonna go over the middle of the floor there. So, CRP machine, guys, for dry cleaning of carpets, also low moisture cleaning, also scrubbing hard floors, tiles. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next upload. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember the comments, guys. We love comments, so tell me what you think. Is that a job well done? First person to post our pin your answer to the top. Here we go, guys. Thanks for watching Safeclean-Walkingtv.